What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to disable bloatware that comes with your phone. So bloatware are the apps that come pre-installed with your phone, but you might not need them. They were just placed there for the company for money purposes and some more purposes. So you just come and look for the app that you are not using. For me it's this one. You just long press and then press on application details. So if you are on Android 10, this is the screen that you will get. It is different in Android 9 and the other Androids, but the same screen. You just have to come here and click disable. So and then click disable. So when it's disabled, it means that nothing, it can't do like anything because it is not functional anymore. So you can repeat the process for more apps, and even the apps that you are currently using but you don't like want to use them completely, you can just do that to them and it will be just fine. They will not be disturbing you anymore. So as you can see, it is not there anymore. It was here, but it isn't there anymore. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.